Hey guys, this is Hal with TrueConnect, and I had a few requests for this particular video. I wanted to show you guys how you'd be able to link a page within TrueConnect.com to your agent code so that when you send it out to your customers, they're not seeing the front page like this, they're seeing a different page. Okay? Super duper simple. So you'll see in here that this is your agent code, this is all embedded into the URL, right? You copy wherever that question mark is, right in front of it, you're going to copy it. All right. Now, if you go to apply now, some of you guys are doing most of your business in California, advertising online, then use the California page. Some of you are doing the majority of your business in NLAD states, so then you can use the NLAD page. So what you would do is you already have it copied, paste it in here, and hit enter. Voila, that's it. You copy this line right in front of where the question mark starts. Copy it. Okay. Now, let me show you again. If you like this page, California, Control V to paste. Voila. That's it. Simple. All right, guys. Thanks.